of all, when you um, launching your Microsoft Power BI that you have downloaded, you will see like this. This is the example of my project that I did in previous semester. Okay, so after you done with your project and you satisfied with it, you can go to File tab here, and then you go to Export tab, and then you see sorry, not export, publish. This is published to Power BI. Okay, publish to Power BI, and then you can see the pop-up publish to Power BI, select destination. Okay, so if you this is connected to Microsoft Team actually. So if you can see my previous courses like this, because we have a channel or class in Microsoft Team. That is why that classes appear here. So but if you don't have, you can choose my workspace. Okay, you select, and then you're waiting the dashboard to be published in the Power BI. While it's being publishing, you can log in into your Microsoft Power BI account on the browser, and you can see you will see the published dashboard on the my workspace project. Okay, sometimes it took a little bit a lot of time, not too long, not too short, maybe around 5 minutes tops, right? Okay, so there it goes, success. And then you can go to open, sorry, you just exit the notification pop-up, got it. And then you go to your Microsoft account, and then you will see the project is here, will appear here. So this is your data set, and then this is your report. Report means that is your dashboard. Okay, so you click. Alright, so you will see your exact same similar dashboard that you developed using Microsoft Power BI just now will appear in your online Microsoft account for Power BI. Okay, so actually you can edit also your visualization here. Okay, so but I prefer to edit it offline here. Okay, so if you want to share with other people, you click, okay, the top tab here, you can see share, and then you can see three options: report, embedded report, and generate QR code. So you need to click the second one. Why? Because if that person or your friend or lecturer doesn't need to log in into their Microsoft account, so this is to ensure less time consuming. Okay, so publish to web, public. So this is embed in a public website notification which notifies you. There will be a link created to your dashboard. So create embedded code, and then just click publish here. Alright, so okay, before you can alright, so as you can see, the success dashboard is here. Your report is ready to share. So you have a link, you have HTML that you can paste on your website, and here this is the size. And placeholder image is something that you, for example, if I put this picture, the first thing that user encounter is that image that you set as a placeholder. And when they click the placeholder image, and it will go to the home page like this. Okay, so you copy, and then after you copy and you realize the link is too long, as you can see, it is a really long link. And then you can go to URL shortener, you paste here, shorten your link. Okay, this is your link, copy URL, and then give it to your lecturer or your friends to view, your group mate, and then you paste here. Alright, as you can see, your dashboard is already there, and then your user or your lecturer can finalize or examine your dashboard. So this is my project. It's about Netflix. Alright, so this is the dashboard that we developed. So I think that's all that I can share with you. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and I do hope you enjoy doing data visualization, because this is a kind of storytelling that I really like, because it's involved color and graphical information. Thank you for your time.